Welcome to JH. Today, I'll demonstrate how to utilize Google Fonts, an essential platform for designers and creators seeking premium typography for digital work. We will cover the entire workflow of picking, saving, and setting up a new typeface to ensure your next project stands out. To begin, head over to the Google Fonts directory. You will find a massive collection of styles, ranging from classic serifs to modern sans serifs and artistic handwritten options, all ready for your use. Exploring this library is the best part of the journey. Take your time to test various styles that match your specific needs, whether you want a subtle look or a bold statement. A very useful feature on the site is the ability to enter your own text to see a live preview of how each font appears, which simplifies your final choice. Once you have found the ideal match, simply click the Get Font button to proceed. This action is the gateway to adding that specific typography to your creative workflow. After selecting your font, look for the download icon. Clicking this will grab a zip file containing all the necessary data. This step moves the font from the web into your personal toolkit. Once the download finishes, go to your Downloads folder and open the compressed file. You must extract these files before they can be used. On most computers, you just right-click the zip and choose Extract All or Unzip to create a standard folder with your new assets. The final stage is installing the font onto your system. Open the specific font file, usually ending in .ttf or .off, and hit the Install button. Within seconds, the typeface will be integrated into your system library, making it available in software like Word or Photoshop. Keep in mind that while Google Fonts are generally free for both personal and commercial use, you should always verify the specific license. Now that it is installed, you can use it across any future projects whenever the right opportunity arises. By following these steps, you have expanded your design capabilities with a world of typographic options. Whether you are building a website or a presentation, you now have the tools to use professional fonts effectively. I hope this walkthrough helps you understand how simple it is to upgrade your work with the right typography. Remember that the right font choice can significantly change how people perceive your work. Enjoy finding the perfect look for your next creation.